Hey guys, this is a 2016 Ford Edge Sport all-wheel drive. It's got a 2.7 turbo motor. This is a rebuilt title flood vehicle. Man, we couldn't find evidence of the water. It was super clean. This car only has 300 miles on it, like brand new. This is an illuminated kick plate. It's got the all-weather floor mats. So if you get up underneath these seats, try and see if you see any rust or evidence of the water. Super clean. This has got the suede inserts. Got a big old panoramic sunroof. Start it up here for you. Got 289 miles. It's original miles. It's got the adaptive cruise, steering wheel controls, navigation, audio, climate, all your different settings. It does have heated seats, your 2 USBs, sync. Got a carbon fiber look here. Power lift gate, automatic automatic lights, power mirrors. All your automatic sunshades. Does have your 2 different 12 volt and your normal 110 plug. It does have 2 keys with smart, with remote start. Really good tread on these tires. These are 20-inch rims. These are LED lights in the back. At night they just glow. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.